Hello everybody. Today we will discuss about the universal journal which is SC docket table. This universal journal is this was introduced with S4 HANA Finance 1509 version. It was introduced from that version itself. And this universal journal is the book of original entry for all the business transactions in SAP S4 HANA Finance as well as controlling, right? So what happens previously, uh, before HANA, we have to follow, we have to go for different kinds of table. There are different types of table. Normally what happened, broadly in SAP FI, there were two tables. One is BKPF and another is BSEC. BKPF was specifically for line items, and BSEC was there. BKPF was there for the header table, and BSEC was there for the line item table. But when SAP S4 HANA was introduced 1509 version onwards, a new table came, and the name of that table is AC Doke or AC Doka, and it includes both the header data as well as the line item data. In addition to that, before S4 HANA, there was a problem of reconciliation in FI as well as CO, asset accounting, material ledger. This informations were stored in different tables, and there was a challenge of reconciliation between FI, CO, asset accounting, material ledger. So these were and COPA also. But after introduction of AC Docker, there is a term which is called universal journal, or we can call it single source of truth. That means all the fields which are saved in different tables, the same thing is stored in one table which is called AC Docker, so that reconciliation issue was not there at all. Without any reconciliation, things can be, reports can be on fly, and there is no need of further reconciliation, because in previous SAP S4 HANA, in previous versions, there normally in big organization they have to have two systems. One is OLTP, online transaction processing, and another is online analytical processing. When the data was more complex, the transaction and analysis, that was not possible, because different tables, they give different informations. So and all the informations has to be combined in another system. So on 90 batches, the transaction data is extracted through BI, business intelligence extractor, and it was loaded in another system which is analytical system, where the report could be generated, right? So there was as there were different lots of tables, and duplication of data was there in different tables. So that was data redundancy, and there was slow access of data. So in one system, in transaction, actually SAP, previously SAP was meant for only the transaction processing, but analytical processing, there was some handicap. It becomes very slow. So once it is universal journal table or AC docket table is introduced, then in the same system we can go for analysis as well as transaction both. So let us go and see how the structure of SC docket table is there. Basically, I have told that it is the combination of both header data as well as the line item, and also CO informations, COPA informations relating to any document, asset accounting related informations, all are there in the single table through the line items. So let us see. The transaction code is SE16N, through which we can see the SC docker. So I am putting the table name. Okay. Then I click on execute. Right. So see, this is the table actually, AC docket table, and in this table, see, I want to see the name is already there, Universal Journal Entry line items, but this doesn't contain only line items, but also header informations are there. See, ledger is there, company code, year, document number. See, business transaction is there. You know, in SAP CO, the transactions or the activities can be distinguished from one to another through transactions types. So it is also there. I'm just coming below. Let us make some changes. We will go to a company first. We will go to a company code from which some data is there, live data is there, Deccan Herald. Let us click on execute. Fine. See. So here the document number, line item, financial year, transaction type. See, there are different transaction types. These are really the CO transaction types. When asset accounting information will be there, then this column will be there. And see, header information is also here, BKPF. If we click on the BKPF, then pertaining to this particular line item, what is the header data, that will be also available. In fact, the header data is already here because the fiscal year is here, company code, and specifically if we click on that, then the header information is also available, like this one, ledger, 0L, company code, fiscal year, document number. So now everything is there in one table. See, the structure of a table is very long, and if I go to the right side, then you see so many columns are there. So it contains, see, all the currency informations are there here, 8 numbers of currencies, and GL account is already here. See, GL account number is already appearing here. That means line item information is there in addition to the header information. And see, if we go to the extreme right, so many informations are available here. See, fiscal year information is, fiscal year variant is here, debit credit information. And if we go to the extreme right, then we can come to the posting key, then user, timestamp. See, it is so long that it can accommodate all the informations across FI, CO, asset accounting, material ledger. So it is an integrated table. See, clearing date is there, value date is there, clearing document number is there, year is there, percentage. So this is SD document invoice, SD related informations will be there. If something is there in SD related, in which is integrated with FI, then everything you will find here also. WBS related, vendor related informations. So whatever offsetting entry is there, and these are the offsetting accounts. So this is a very long source of information and integrated information. Previously, this information which is there, it is found in different tables. So that was duplication of data, and reconciliation issue was there. See, net due date is there, risk class is there. So now SC doc is something, it is such a table which can give us the single source of truth. Basically we are calling single source of truth. All the informations can be extracted here. So there is no reconciliation issues between different sub modules of FI and CO, right? So this is the benefit, that due to the introduction of universal journal, we no longer need the reconciliation process. Without reconciliation process also, the things can be available. So what was regarding the previous tables? See, there were BKPF or BSEC. What was regarding those tables? Those tables are also available, but the compatibility view is there. Okay, the compatibility view is there regarding those tables are concerned. Suppose I want to see the BKPF. So let us go to SC16N. I can, BKPF is still available. BKPF. Okay, I'm putting the company code, that is a company code what I was following previously, 1996. Okay, so BKPF table is still available, but it gives us a compatibility. This is the accounting document header, and it gives the compatibility view of the document relating to the header data. So even if those informations are still there, but it is in a compatibility form. But the important table is the SEDOCA, which we can follow for the integrated view of the informations. So it can tell you, it can give you all the, it can put all the informations at one place, so that there will be no need of reconciliation, whether it is COPA related, whether it is asset related, fixed asset related, CO related, everything will be on the fly. Reports can be on the fly. Okay.